So I'm going to show you how to open apps in pop-up window mode on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So let's say you have an app that you want floating on your screen. It's actually called a floating window. So let's say that app is YouTube, for instance, which is what I think I would want to do that with. So open up the app and then go into multitasking mode and then long press on that app and then click on this, or rather tap on this floating window icon. And that's going to open that app as a floating window. And then now you can go back to the home screen. You can access other apps. You can go and look at, for instance, your gallery, while this window at the top here is doing its thing. So for instance, you can play this video as you do other things on your phone. Okay, you can resize this little window. You can tap the three dots at the top here, and you can actually switch it to split screen mode, or from the bottom you can resize that little window just like that. Okay, so you can have it smaller. It's currently just disappeared, so I'm just gonna try and get it back. There you go. You can actually adjust the size of this little window from here as you continue doing other things. So that's basically how to open apps in a floating pop-up on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.